Now, as customary, it's now time for the Mavericks English Premier League preseason prediction. As usual, before a single ball is kicked. And remember now, this is not what I want to happen, hope to happen, or even wish to happen this season. This is what I am predicting will happen based on football and football-related factors. So here we go. Starting at number 6 with the once mighty Manchester United. In 5th place will be Tottenham Hotspurs. In 4th place will be the Blues of London, Chelsea. In 3rd place will be the Gunners of London, Arsenal. In 2nd place, the defending champions, my team, Liverpool. And returning to the summit after record spending between the January window and this window, with the great Pep Guardiola having a point to prove, the 2025-2026 evil champions will be Manchester City. What a pity.